I have a simple yet tasty game day appetizer lined up for you today. Chicken Parmesan sliders. And when it comes to pleasing a crowd or your family, these sliders will have your back. The ingredients you need are frozen chicken tenders cooked according to the directions on the package, King's Hawaiian sweet rolls, jar of marinara sauce, mozzarella and provolone blend shredded cheese, a half a cup of butter, grated Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, red pepper flakes, and some fresh minced basil. Once your chicken tenders are cooked, go ahead and preheat your oven to 375 and grease a 13 by 9 inch baking dish. Now don't go separating those rolls. We're going to cut the whole thing in half horizontally. Then we're going to sprinkle half of our cheese blend over the bottom. All right, let's place them into the oven and we're going to bake them until the cheese is melted, about 3 to 5 minutes. We're going to add our marinara sauce, followed by our chicken tenders. Then the remainder of that same sauce. Lastly, the rest of our cheese. Before we cook these, we need to add our garlic buttery topping to them with some crushed red pepper for a nice kick of flavor. In a bowl, we're going to melt butter, garlic powder, and our crushed red pepper flakes. And then we are going to pour these all over the top, followed by our Parmesan cheese. And we're going to bake this for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. Sprinkle with the fresh minced basil, and you can serve this immediately. There really isn't much effort required into making these, but your guests don't have to know that. They'll be too busy watching the game until these come out of the oven. See you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.